Welcome to your French class. In this video, we are going to discuss about le pronom relatif simple où. Okay, où always replaces a place or time, a moment of time. So, where and when the action happened, où will replace it while joining two sentences. You need to remember one thing, quand is never ever used as a relative pronoun. It is not a relative pronoun. Okay? It is always used to ask a question. Okay, although it means when, but we do not use it while joining two sentences. Okay, many people get confused between où and quand. So don't get confused. Quand is not a relative pronoun. Never ever use it while joining two sentences. Always use it when you ask a question. And if I say où replaces a place, then the place can be a particular place like Delhi, Paris, or a garden, or a house, or a classroom, and it can be an imaginary place as well, like hell or heaven. So let's take the first statement now. Le restaurant est près de notre office. Nous avons dîné dans ce restaurant. The restaurant is near to our office. We dined in that restaurant. We don't want to use ce restaurant again in our sentence because once we have already used here, and as we know, pronouns are used for that purpose only when you do not want to repeat the same noun again and again in your sentence. So here the same noun is used again. Okay, I want to replace this using a pronoun. How will I use? Le restaurant, the restaurant, where. Now here it is giving the sense of where. The restaurant where we dined. Le restaurant où nous avons dîné est près de notre office. The restaurant where we dined is near to our office. Earlier it was like le restaurant est près de notre office. The restaurant is near to our office. Nous avons dîné dans ce restaurant. We dined in that restaurant. Le restaurant où nous avons dîné est près de notre office. The restaurant where we dined is near to our office. Now we'll take the second statement. Let's take the second statement now. Je connais la ville. I know the city. Vous avez passé vos vacances dans cette ville. You passed your vacations in that city. In order to avoid the repetition of cette ville, I will drop this portion, and instead of using this, I'm going to use my pronom. Je connais la ville. I know the city where you passed your vacations. So I'll write où vous avez passé vos vacances. Now let's take the third one. C'est mon village. This is my village. Je suis né dans ce village. I was born in this village. Now, how to change this? Again, I don't want to repeat village word, so I will drop this portion and I will use my pronom. C'est mon village. This is the village where I am born. Où je suis né. Voilà une cabine dash tu peux essayer la chemise. Here is a cabin where you can try the shirt. Now, where? So, I'll write où. Il se souvient bien du jour. He remembers the day well. Dash il a eu un accident. When he had an accident. So, again, I need to write où. When he had an accident. Je connais l'endroit dash il se cache. I know the place where he is hiding. So again, où. Voilà le bureau dash il travaille. Here is the office where he works. La ville dash j'habite est belle. The city where I live is beautiful. So again, for where I need to write où. Okay. Only in this sentence, if you notice, il se souvient bien du jour où il a eu un accident. Only in this sentence, it is giving the sense of when. He remembers the day well when he had an accident. So, in this type of sentences, we do not use quand. Okay, as I told you in the beginning of the chapter, we use où instead. Okay, so if you need to ask more about this, do ask me in the comment box. Thank you.